got rain coming. I saw
nice. I think I just caught that carrot.
briefly in the corner of the screen.
Another crack of lightning. I think I just caught that on the video. We might have to sit here and see if I can record it. I've got both cameras running right now, the live stream and my digital camera, so I can collect video footage of the day. We haven't used it much because every time I've tried stopping, it's started storming. On Facebook, feel free to reshare my chase things. Let your friends know. You can also go to yorktonstormhunter.com. On Twitter, you can retweet all you want. And if you tweet me while I'm driving, I'll get Kara to answer the best that she can. Alright, the chase is on. Yes, yes. That's perfect. Just gonna let you guys know, last night, thanks to Notani, I don't want to screw up his last name, Rasa. Oh, pretty.
Oh, God!
Okay. He let me know about Northern Lights. I headed out about midnight, got home at 1:30, got about 100 beautiful photos of the Northern Lights, just, well, of course, north of Yorkton. We have some action going on here due to the upper cloud here.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's dipping in the corner there for a sec, so.
I'm gonna probably pull over here and just catch some video.
Oh yeah, it's getting. Oh God.
It's okay, Kurt.
Camera's not even getting that. This one over here.
Hey.
Is it? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay. Go back over that way. Yeah.
Gorgeous activity going on right now. I will be back. I'm going to take another photo.
Starting to.
And Braden and I unbuckled. Sorry.
They suck back up for a second. Oh, no.
I can hear thunder. Just let you guys know.
Okay, he can hear thunder too, guys. Okay. I'm gonna get rain here pretty quick. Roy, is there some other way you could go? Is there some other way you could go? In case you get stuck in this?
Oh,
like,
wow. Did you guys see that? That was awesome. Incredible, incredible lightning.
Oh, more lightning. You get it?
Gorgeous
You
shot.
got it? You got it?
My best lightning shot I've ever taken. Holy crap.
Wicked.
Can you guys see that? This shot?
Sort of. I don't know.
Wow. Best lightning shot I've ever. Oh, I'm so happy.
Hey, darling, I'll really get in the car because you're gonna get bored soon. These clouds right in front here don't look very nice. They're rippling really good. Right about now. Don't know if you guys can see that, but...
Nothing. Yeah. Yeah. All I got was just that one cloud cell I got a photo of there. That's about all I got. And that was just like literally, I don't know, I drove about 20 miles actually out near Kenora. And we came back and we seen that. I was like, I didn't even have to leave Yorkton. It turned out good. Is it? Ooh, nice. I just caught that on video. It's got another bolt of lighting here. These bolts are just, they're just going straight down.
Okay, can we like go or something? Like, I don't want to sit
The
here
wind?
anymore.
I don't know if it's really windy, but it's super hot. Like the cars jumped up to 24, and when I go outside, it's like ultra muggy. I haven't actually checked. There's actually a cumulus cloud forming to the south. I see over here. That's probably Montana though, because Montana's showing like massive lightning right now. I bet you that cloud's like 3 hours away. Oh, really? Yeah, but it's like $1,000 a year for the pro software. I totally want that, because it's what, like every 20 minutes or something, isn't there? Yeah, maybe one day. Whatever. Pardon me? Yeah, that's right. But, alright. No? Carrie, do you want to move that just a tad to the this one? I've got some awesome lightning forming to the south now, so we're gonna see if I can catch some lightning. Everything was either to the south unless or to the north. But. North to number one? Okay. This lightning was just... There we go. It's like directly over us right now.
Yeah, maybe move.
No, you're sick.
Oh, I won't get the medicine.
Oh no, she said there's more cells forming on the way to Medicine Hat that aren't even there yet. But alrighty. Well, I shall let you go here for a bit. And if you if you get more information then or whatever, then let me know. Nice, nice. Made it all worthwhile. But, no kidding, eh? Yeah. Well, I know he did say something about having like a lot of technical difficulties, so maybe that's why I'm not sure. Ooh, nice.
Oh my god, that was just over there.
Oh yeah? So pretty. No, she said we're on the first cell and then there's a cell right behind us. We're right coming down. Like this is the big cell that was 2 minutes and a half, then there's no more coming down. It's raining so hard. See if I can get that. No. That's really heavy rain. It's storming mega hard. It is now hailing.
Oh my God.
Look at that rainbow.
Nasty.
Val Mary is apparently supposed to be being hit right now. I think we're out of range for that location. It's raining too hard.
Oh, shoot. I can have that facing that way. That's where the lightning was. Wind picking up, look at the flag.